there are any disqualifications in the evaluators?
No, there are no disqualification in evaluators.
Okay, so please do vote for the best evaluators. The first evaluator was Toastmaster Vinod, second evaluator Toastmaster Anusha, and third evaluator Toastmaster Ganesh. So now, for want of time, we'll have the tag report offline. So let me quickly go through my report, the GE report. The first thing I'd like to say is the meeting started on time. Usually all GEs tell this, but I've been coming to Medley for more than 3-4 years now, and meetings always start on time. That's a great achievement. So give a big hand to this. I've been coming since the time Sunil was young, so. Second thing I really liked, which wasn't there earlier, is the suspense in the word of the day. I like the concept of introducing that, the grammarian introducing that, so that was something which I really liked. The third thing which I like, which I rarely see in this meeting, is senior members playing the tag role. So big hand to the XCOM for one special mention I'd like to give is, see, I use notes and most of the role players use notes, but coming and speaking here without notes is very, very, very difficult. So big hand to Toastmaster of the Day and Evaluator Janani for not using notes. Might have been easy for them, but for me it's very, very difficult. Coming to the evaluations, the evaluators were very constructive and the evaluations were very good. Coming to the points which could be improved in future meetings, the area director came a bit late, even though he's a very prominent lawyer in Chennai, he probably has clients. Second one is, there were changes in the agenda, and as general evaluator, I could have mentioned the changes before the meeting started. So for people who are playing G in the future, you could mention the changes in the agenda before the meeting. G itself was changed. So. The third thing is an appreciation and a point of improvement. The TT session, a lot of research was, TT masters here, a lot of research went into this, and the topics he chose were very good and very different. So kudos to the TT masters. But I felt in the middle there were some glitches here and there with people coming and going, so that could have been improved. Would have been a great TT session. It was very different from the ones I've seen earlier. The last point of improvement is evaluators could have eye contact, as Incho speaking just to the target speaker. They could speak to the audience as well, because the evaluation is for the benefit of the audience also. Last but not the least, this is a personal thing I like about Medley, is this video recording. So I've been out of country for over a year and a half now, and I hardly miss meetings because of these video recordings, and it comes up in WhatsApp also. So great job to the VPPers of the past and the present. International members of Medley, I'd like to thank the PR team for this. So with that, thank you so much for your time. Back to the Toastmasters.
Now, you also have a column in the balance sheet for best role player. And best role player, Pranav, general evaluator, and myself, Chokkalingam PM Modi, accountant Priya, grammarian Guru Sir, and timer Vijay Rajan, and TT master Vijay Rajan. That's right, timer Vijay Rajan and TT master Vijay Rajan. Mention that also. And SAA will collect the balance sheet from you. Just to fill this time, as a conclusion, I have prepared a long sheet, like for 2 pages, what I should talk, but the order and has already came. So I'll just tell you the gist of this meeting team. I think all set. Now we have come to the end of the meeting. So to conclude that, relating to the topic theme of today, what I'm saying is you spread rumor, and nothing wrong about that. But just use these 3 filters. One, have you verified that news? And do you know if it is true, or do you see it by yourself? Okay, then spread it. And number 2, if it is going to do something positive, if it is positive about that person, then post it. And number 3, if it is going to be useful for you or someone else, just spread it. And just use these 3 filters. That's all. And now I would like to give the stadium to presiding officer.
So back again, how was the meeting?
Excellent.
Only one good, one excellent. That's all.
All the 3 tag team did not speak.
Yeah, we are running out of time because that's what as G announced. Yeah, we want to take it offline. Just
Whenever there is time constraint, we always.
the tag gets hit, everybody dies. So it's nice to have.
Next time probably will come and sit there.
No, not, it doesn't happen often because we had education.
Once in a while it happens, education session days it happens.
It's really short of time. And it's good to have Dr. Vinay back. Would you be, or you in town, would you be? Excellent. So see you till you are in Chennai. And there is a.
President, on behalf of the members of Medley, I'd like to request that we conduct one reverse agenda meeting sometime.
Okay, then.
It would be fun and it needs a lot of preparation, so fix a date and we can form a team and start preparing. For the benefit of others, reverse agenda meeting is a complete ulta of normal meeting. It starts with President closing the meeting, then giving the and he will already distribute best speaker awards in the beginning of the meeting. Then the table topic speaker, the evaluators will first evaluate, speakers will speak later. Table topics will be delivered by the speaker, then the pastor will coin a topic for it. It will be total fun. Finally, it ends with Sergeant of opening the meeting. It will be very, very funny. Let us try to do it.
We'll do that, yeah, definitely. Point taken. And there's an announcement. Next Saturday, there's a, we're going to have a combined meeting. 4 clubs. Medley, IIT Club, Ocean Toastmasters Club, and just one more club. Kalyan, IIT. Infosys Sholinganallur.
Yeah.
So there's a 4 club combined meeting in Thiruvanmiyur Beach at 6:30 a.m.
Wow.
So you'll get the details in a couple of days. So if you're in town, if you're free, please plan that. So as I said, we are really out of time, but very quickly I'll take some guest feedback. Two guest feedback, one from a guest.
What being black?
How was the biggest?
What being dragged into?
No, I wasn't back actually. All here is
Oh, that was.
I learned a lot of things today. How to be a judge, how to be a speaker, and how to talk with different people and different surroundings in different places. So that's a good thing, and people are confident about their speaking. That's a pretty good thing.
Okay. Thank you. One from this side. Yeah.
The goers are going very fast and the Smaller has given a great inputs about every factor and the evaluators are given nicely understand what the speakers are speaking and they are given good feedback and one good thing is people are participating, everyone involving in the
Thank you. So other guest feedback, we will take it offline. And for guests, there is a 150 rupee fee, which you can give it to Vinod. He'll be very happy to collect that. If you are a student, it is 100 rupees.
Yes.
Right? And after the meeting, Vinod, myself, Kalyan or Arjun will be around here to help you out for any queries if you, for all the guests. And with that, time for the awards. Best role player, Chakkalingam. Best evaluator, Janani. Best TD player, Thomas. Thomas gone. Okay. And best speaker, Siddhika.
No show. No, she's made.
Thank you all.
No, she's happy.
Meeting 383.
Oh, you're happy. Oh, you're happy.